Welcome back folks, we review video tonight. So this is a piece of kit I've been looking forward to getting. So I'd just like to thank Fire Chef for gifting me this. So they've gifted me the spit roast kit. So I'm really looking forward to using this. So comes in a good solid kind of canvas bag with drawstring at the top. It's got a few different pieces to it. So we'll get it one by one. So that's the first section. So that's obviously what you put your meat on, right? And obviously you can cook everything from chicken to roast beef to pork to all sorts of different things, right? These two sections, I'll get them out of the bag. Will obviously go in either end, I take it. We'll put it together and I'll show you exactly how it all goes together. Right, so those sections there. Right, you've got the main part that basically your motor's going to go into. So this is an actual motorised spit. So basically all you need to do is light a fire, stick your meat on it, and this thing will turn itself. Right, this section here as well. Right, and then finally we have the motor section. So that's that section there. So let's put it all together and we'll see what it's like. Also comes with a wee kind of manual. It says the sack's rugged corduroy, embroidered, carry sack, drawstring, easy stowage. The actual motor part is a new generation silent motor. Will happily turn, would you hear this, 3 chickens all at the one time. Right, it's got a powerful 8 kilogram maximum load, battery powered, and it will last for 30 hours. Right, you've got the 2 sturdy support legs which I've showed you. You've got the 100cm stainless steel spit forks, rust resistant, great for acidics like jerk roast, pineapples. Right, the actual manual kind of gives you, basically tells you how to light your fire, where to position your meat, the kind of load balance, a wee bit about heat guides, tells you a wee bit about the maintenance and the care of it as well. So that's a wee bit, what we'll do now is we'll basically set it up. We'll kind of show you it all set up. So it's pretty simple. These 2 sections here are obviously just going to put into the ground. Obviously I'm doing this out my back door just now, but we'll get out hopefully at the weekend and we'll actually use it and cook something with it. Right, the actual motor, very simple. 2 sections at the back, it just slots in. Power wise, I don't even have any batteries with me today, right, but it's the big chunky batteries that it takes. Just got a simple on off switch that clips into place. Right, so once that's on, it's literally a case of you get your fire here, or depending on what you're cooking, where you want to position your meat, slots into the ground. Oh, in fact I should do this closely. This section here, obviously it's got a pointy end and a kind of squarer end, and literally all you do with that is slot that through that hole and into that section there. Right, once you've done that, it is literally just a case of putting it into the ground, getting your other side, put that into the ground, what I'm going to do first before I do that, you obviously also need these sections. So obviously depending on how much meat you're going to be cooking, and it does say you can cook 3 chickens on it, so that's a reasonable amount of meat. Right, I'll just bend that back. So obviously you just slot this, undo it first. So you slot these on, either side. Screw it first. Right, they basically slot on like that, and then it's just a case of all you need to do is tighten them up. It's just a, I'm just, I'm a bit gutted I've not got the batteries for it, but we'll get them. Right, and then that is basically it. Obviously then you'll flick it on, and then this is slowly going to turn round, whether it's chicken, beef, whatever kind of meat. I'll put vegetables on it, put anything on it basically. But I really am looking forward to using this. Definitely going to cook maybe a big roast chicken, or a bit of roast beef, who knows, wait and see. But that's basically us. So, like I said, that's the Fire Chef Spit Roast Kit. So I'm going to put a link down below to obviously their site. What I do like about this is they're actually a Scottish based company. It's almost like, it's great to see, well, I think it's great to see kind of home manufactured stuff, stuff coming from a company within Scotland, rather than abroad or wherever else. So it's actually, it really is good to see this. So basically, that's it. Like I say, I will put a link down below. We'll get out of the weekend. This is just generally a first look, basically what it looks like. But the weekend we'll get out and we'll get cooking with it. So as ever folks, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.